everyone, Drija here on a movie, and I am happy to see you here. I hope you're doing well and ready to welcome this pink season. Today I'm here to show you some small and inexpensive plant projects which will fill up your garden with adorable colors. Everything I'm using in this project is from dollar store, and I have made each of them under $3. So without wasting a second, let's get started. First project will be the small hanging planters. I got this tiny cement planters from dollar store. They are so cute and tiny in the size, but they are big enough to carry succulents. So they come in a different embossed prints like this one, and then florals, and also in the different letters and names. I painted them in a pastel color shades, which are more of a light shades in green, blue, and a pink. I had to give them a 3 coats because it had a gray color. To make a hanging look for this plant, I had this craft wire which has this metal wire inside and paper kind of cover on it. These are for bohemian decor. I set the middle part of the wire onto the base of a planter and stick that with a super glue. I used just one string and glued with a super glue, just because I knew I'm not going to put anything heavy in this. Maybe I'm probably just going to put nothing in this. If you are going to put a plant in this, you probably want to consider using strings of yarn or a twine in which you can actually make a knot, or you can make a holes in the planter to have a good grip. Moving on to second one, I saw this planter in a Home Depot. Not exactly like this, but it was definitely looking like this. For this, I simply took terracotta planters in a different sizes and I painted them in a bright colors. Then I realized that it would be better if I painted them in a pastel colors, just like the first one. Then I poured a cool glue on it, which gets transparent when it's dried, and spread it all over. I had this small size gravel in gray color. I stick them to the pot just like the way we do with the glitter, but they are not easy to stick. So once they were dry, I mixed glue with a little bit of water and went over that part again. I covered all the gravel in the glue again for the top coat, and I make 2 small and 2 tiny planters in this. Third one is my favorite. For this, you need a glass tubes, wood piece, and a wood rings. I had this wood piece which I painted black before I started recording, and I had this wood rings from a previous project that I was working on. These are easily available in dollar store as well. I got this from Michael's, but I think I've seen them in a dollar store. First I measured a wood piece, figured out how many propagation station I will be able to make stand on this bar, and place the ring just to take a measurements of it. And to make it look better, I painted the rings black. I made sure the rings are not entirely covered in the glass tube. I just wanted this rings to cover just the base part of the glass tube, which is round and it is not stable. So it should just cover the bottom part of the tube, so it will help glass tube to stand better. So I stick those rings with the super glue, and which I think is pretty sturdy. And then I filled that ring with another gel super glue, which is like nearly this is a different one, but you can use E6000. That will be better. Which takes 2-3 hours to dry. I stick tubes on the rings and made it secure with a quick fix super glue. If you are at this part of the video, I am pretty sure you have enjoyed it. So please go ahead and give it a thumbs up to this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am glad to have you all on my channel, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.